We begin with this broadcast with the news of a municipal officer in Bhopal who has now been suspended. He was caught on camera watching porn at an official meeting. Now, he was the zonal officer of the Bhopal Municipal Corporation, and look at these images. He was caught on camera watching porn. That's the man you see on your television screen, Anil Sharma. Now, he was in a very important meeting of the Bhopal Municipal Corporation, and in this meeting, when everyone else was focusing on how to better develop Bhopal, this officer was watching porn. When these images went viral, the officer was summoned. He has since been suspended. I want to bring in editor Shiv Arur for more on this. Shiv, a senior municipal officer, a very important meeting. Instead of focusing on how to improve Bhopal, he was watching porn.
Really incredible images, caught on a journalist's camera. They were sitting in the gallery, these local journalists, and they've been able to capture these images. Gaurav, as you rightly pointed out, it was a very key council meeting that was actually taking place where zonal officer from Zone 10 of Bhopal, Anil Sharma, the man you see here, black sweater, blue shirt, holding that tablet. When you zoom in on it, unmistakably, he's looking at some pornography on his tablet. He, watches the entire clip. He watches it for a good few minutes and then he closes it. And obviously, he's got a lot of files on his table as well. If you look very closely at the images, he's got files on his table. This is an official meeting. Several other zonal officers and officials are part of this crucial meeting in Bhopal. But what Anil Sharma has time for is not to listen to what's going on, not to participate in that particular meeting, but open up his little tablet and enjoy a little bit of porn. Now, the fact is this particular building where this meeting is taking place has a gallery above, very much like Parliament, where the press is permitted to sit and, actually cover the proceedings of such meetings. And that is where one local reporter had the presence of mind to actually film what some of these people were actually looking at. And that's when he realized that Anil Sharma, the zonal officer from Zone 10, was looking at porn on his tablet. Very similar to what happened in the Karnataka Assembly a couple of years ago, when you remember certain BJP MLAs were in the dock for accessing porn and dirty images when the Assembly was in session, which led to their suspension and a big controversy at that point of time. And now you've got this zonal officer. It's happened before in West Bengal, it's happened before in Karnataka, and now you're seeing this actually happen here. It doesn't just indicate the fact that some of these people are actually accessing porn. The bigger issue here is that you've got crucial people who are paid, their salaries come from taxpayers' money, sitting and watching porn during an official event, an official meeting where crucial decisions that impact citizens are actually being taken. I think that's the bigger issue here, not the fact that the man, watches porn. What he does in his private time is his own business. But here, sitting at a meeting that is funded by taxpayers' money, by the exchequer, he's sitting there, and instead of participating in a meeting that impacts the lives of citizens, he's sitting there and watching dirty movies.
Shiv, stay with me for a moment. I also want to bring in Amit Jain, our correspondent from Bhopal. Amit, कहा यह जा रहा है बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बैठक थी, भोपाल का भविष्य किस तरह सुनिश्चित होगा, इस मीटिंग के बारे में बताइए, इन अधिकारी के बारे में बताइए और इनका अब क्या कहना है कि आखिर क्यों वो एक सरकारी मीटिंग में इस तरह की अश्लील तस्वीरें देख रहे थे।
देखिए गौरव, ये जो 18 तारीख को बैठक हो रही थी, राजस्व मध्य प्रदेश खासतौर से भोपाल में किस तरह से रेवेन्यू जनरेशन के लिए कितना बढ़ाया जाए, कैसे नगर निगम के काम अच्छे किए जाएं और उसके लिए पैसों की जरूरत है। तो राजस्व या रेवेन्यू बढ़ाने के लिए ये बैठक थी, स्पेशल बैठक थी। इसमें पार्षद थे, अधिकारी थे, महापौर थे और ये स्पेशल बैठक में सभी लोग मौजूद थे। और इस बैठक में जो अनिल शर्मा, जो जोन 10 के जोनल ऑफिसर थे, ये कैमरे पे जिस तरह से अश्लील फिल्म देख रहे थे और इसको कैमरे में, मीडिया के कैमरे में कैद भी हो गए। जब इनसे, चूंकि इनका मोबाइल 2 दिन से बंद है, परसों के बाद जब से लाइमलाइट में ये पूरी एपिसोड आया है, उसके बाद उनका मोबाइल बंद है, लेकिन इसके बाद उनकी कोई सफाई या किसी तरह कोई बात सामने नहीं आई है। और इस पूरे मामले को 3 लोग जो वरिष्ठ अधिकारी हैं वो जांच कर रहे हैं, और जांच करने के बाद हालांकि महापौर ने सस्पेंड कर दिया है, इसके आगे भी कार्रवाई की जा सकती है। सबसे महत्वपूर्ण बात गौरव यह है कि इस तरह की विशेष बैठक में चाहे पार्षद हो, अधिकारी हो, कोई भी मोबाइल ऑन नहीं कर सकता है। ये स्टैंडिंग ऑर्डर थे, लेकिन उसके बाद भी अधिकारी मोबाइल चालू किए हुए थे।
अमित, इस खबर पर नजर बनाए रखिए। ताजा जानकारी के लिए हम फिर आपके पास लौटेंगे। शिवरूर, फॉर द मोमेंट, many thanks for joining me.
Country's parliament right in front of the Russian embassy in Kabul. Eyewitnesses say it was a suicide car bomb in front of the Russian embassy. A number of casualties.
What's up, Delhi? So who are the chicks and cookers who are coming on stage?